Hey, what's up, Tom? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually apply to your website. These 3 tips will actually start outranking your competition and really bring in a lot more leads coming in through your doors as well. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your website pulled up here. The first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google loves words and really increasing your word count so you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website's even being found. And also these images here, this is all content behind this as well. You got a left logo. You can actually put keywords back there. That's going to help with your rankings so you can get on that first page a lot faster. Kind of give you an idea here, if I go inside of Google, type in Las Vegas Roofing, this is what you're going to see. You got some ads here at the bottom. A lot of people have been going away with ads just because they've been spammy and they got ad blockers up from last year as well. So a lot of ads aren't even getting through. But this little map pack here at the very top, some people call it a GMB, Google My Business 3-pack because all the traffic happens in the top 3 sections. But you got a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top. And to get here, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What citations are just online business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. And so really what we'd want to do is go get these same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out there and outrank them as well. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations from your top competitors. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you did in this listing right here. Underneath this map pack, we have where all that organic traffic happens right here on that first page of Google. And to get your website found there without running any of those crazy expensive ads, you're going to be dealing with all that content and making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking back to your website that's just really pushing power to it, so you can get your sites or your backlink or your keywords on that first page of Google so you can actually bring in those leads. Kind of give you an idea here. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets you see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So here's the history of your website here. Looks like you got this thing going back in 2013. This is the last 3 months. You got 37 referring domains, 134 backlinks, 12 keywords you're being found for, and 25 organic clicks to your site. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it does look like you're running some ads in here. Coming in, we can actually see what keywords you're actually ranking for in your position. So you got your name here at the top, Roofing Henderson NV, there's 30 clicks a month. 23rd position, you're missing the traffic being on that second page. And Roofing Las Vegas NV, there's 100 clicks. Las Vegas Roofers, another 40 clicks, and yeah, your 7th, 8th page on all these keywords. This is a PRS. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. Here's their position. They have a few firsts, some fifths, a couple more firsts in there, but kind of going to do a quick overview for you. 515 backlinks, 89 referring domains, 293 keywords, 267 clicks to their site every month. And here's some of their keywords. Roofers in Las Vegas, 5th position, 150 clicks, 10 clicks out of the 150. Las Vegas Roofing, there's another 100 clicks right there. Las Vegas Roofing Company is another 70 clicks. There's seven clicks out of the 70. So really coming in, making sure you do that proper backlinking, the quality backlinks, and and also making sure that you're ranked for these keywords. You're gonna notice your phone start ringing just from those 3 tips. Anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon with you. Bye.